Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video we got an unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Humidifier 2. So I actually opened this box before. I thought that this is just a cover box over here, but as it turns out over here, this is actually the box itself. So this has been shipped to me, so maybe this is a version that they packaged in this cheaper gray box without any logos or so. So let's see what's inside. Fiber cotton, don't know what's that for, we will find out soon. So what else do we have over here? Some chloroform, sorry for the sound. And the device itself as it seems. So let me get it out over here. So we have a user manual over here, warranty, and that's it for the box. Okay, so let's take a look at the device itself. It comes with a cable, so as you can see the cable is, I believe, permanently attached over here. So it's a nice thing that you don't need another USB-C connector with a charger from an old phone to run this. And this actually uses 37 watts, so this might be the answer why it is not enough from a standard USB charger to get this thing running. So what do we got over here on the front? Few controls. As you can see, note when using this humidifier for the first time, remove the floating board fastener from the base. Floating board fastener from the base. So we'll find out in a second what's that about. But so far this looks very straightforward, and this is what I've been looking for with this device. This connects to your Xiaomi app, so you can run it automatically, I believe. Let me try and see whether I can show you something more, guys, over here. So we have a little band on top of it to secure the Xiaomi logo cap. And I don't know if you are supposed to unscrew this or something like that. Maybe this changes the direction of the vapor coming out of it. But so far this looks very, very simple, and that's what I'm expecting from it, and I expect it to work good. So I don't believe there is anything more to show you, and I will get it set up, get it running, and show it then to you. So okay, I think I got it figured out for the most part. After removing the stickers over here, you can take this upwards like so. And this sticker says to remove this foam from inside, okay? So this is basically what I think tells the device how much water there is in the tank. You can take a look inside if you would like so. Here I found the UV light that kills the bacteria inside over here. Under this cover, what else we got over here? Do not pour water along the side with the buttons, non-direct water adding area. Pretty straightforward, 2 buttons over here as well. And I will get it running and show you how this performs, how it looks like running, and if I found or learned anything more about it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got this thing figured out over here, tested it for a few days, so I will show you exactly everything pretty much you need to know from the basic stuff how to use it, and I will show you the app as well. So first of all, I will show you what are those fiber cottons for. So if we go on the back of this device, you can see the press to open tab over here and add essential oils. So if we go ahead and do so, you can see this is a little thingy over here where you can drip some of your aromatherapy oils, and this device basically will spread them as well with the water vapor over here, and those fiber cottons are simply to replace it and maybe change the oils itself so that you don't mix them together or whatever. So if you're interested in this portion or this feature of this device, this is how it looks like over here. And now if we go to the top of this device, you don't do anything over here. Basically this is a lid. As you can see, there is some water inside it, and you can simply turn this lid in whichever place you want the humidifier to shoot the vapor from, so you can do this in two directions. So if you change the inner part, basically one side will go on the right from where we are filming, and the inner part will go to the left, and you can take them both in the same direction, as you can see. So let me turn on the device and show you how it looks like. So this will be pretty hard to see on camera, but you can see that the vapor is coming out. And now if I screw this to the right side, this one is shooting to the right, this one is shooting to the left. So simple as that. You can direct the flow over here so that it doesn't go on your walls or something like that, for example. And in my case, I just put them both on front over here. What as well I would like to show you, you can put water straight in here. So take the upper part of this device, take this under your tap water, and you can simply put water straight in here, and I will try to showcase it to you. So basically you have the device like so. Let me turn it off so I can take it out. And now I can just pick up the water tank itself. As you can see, there is some water in the device, lower portion of the device as well. And that's because it lets in the water from the tank itself when it needs some. And there is that swimmer thingy that shows the device basically if there is any water or not. And if we would just look inside over here, there is just water inside it. So this is how simple it is to use, and this is very convenient that you don't have to take the whole device because it would be too tall for the sink or something like that. So just like so, you can put it back together. Let me turn it front to you, turn it on just to show you how it works. You got 4 modes over here. So the last mode is constant humidifier percentage. So basically the device will try to go up to that percentage and keep it there. You got your like step 1, step 2, and the most vapor coming out on step 3. And now I will show you the app itself. So now we are in the app itself over here. As you can see, my humidity in my room is 46. So now what I can do, I can go to constant humidity. I can set it up, for example, in 55%. As you heard, the device clicks so that it registers this change. Now the device is off, as you can see over here. It tells you like the status or whatever, if it's humid or dry or comfortable, I guess. And as well, if we go back over here, you can see the temperature of my room. So what I found that the temperature is a little bit off. It's a little bit higher than it actually is. But on the left upper corner, I don't have any other temperature measuring devices. I just got this Smart Humidifier 2. And yeah, it says that it's 23% Celsius. So you have the 3 modes over here. Let me turn it on, you will actually hear it. it's pretty silent somehow right now, so I don't know if you can hear it, but whatever, you can change the level. So here for just constant flow, now you will actually hear it if I set it to level 3. It's not loud as well, only when I put the phone very close to it, or if you're very close to it, you can hear it, but it doesn't really bother that much. Like a fridge or refrigerator is much louder than this. So what I do, I just go to constant humidity, set it up for like 60, 55, something like that, and I just keep it like so. And this is pretty much it. You have a schedule as well, so you can set it up that it turns off for the night, for example, or during the day. So that's up to you to decide. The indicator is just the sound, or I'm sorry, that is the LED lights on the device itself, so it turns it off. So if you want to sleep at night, it doesn't bother you with the light, and the notification sound speaks for itself, as you can hear. And so yeah, this is it for this device, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped you, and yeah, consider subscribing. If you want to review me any other devices, unboxer devices, let me know in the comments below. See you, bye bye.